Okay, we're on the Rambler. This is our new Rambler that was supposed to have tarmac. But, that never happened. It's holding up okay at the moment. The more use it gets, the more the big rocks rise to the surface and the rougher it gets. But for the time being, it's well usable. Just a bit down the other end's a bit rough, but they didn't scrape it. But it ain't a problem. Now, this is the first time out with the new helmet apron from Proline that I fitted the other day. I don't know how it's going to behave, whether it'll make any difference to the sound. I'm hoping it will. I'm hoping I can speak in a normal voice, as I am now, at any speed, and have a lot less wind noise, and therefore clearer audio. That's the hope. And at the moment I've got the visor just cracked open. That's another thing with it. I don't know yet whether it'll have a problem with condensation, because it's not letting air in. Presumably it's not letting the moisture from your breath out. So we'll see as the day goes on. Hopefully it will all work out well. So, we're going to Melithina first. Ross has got to drop some stuff off there at the calf, so we'll probably have a coffee there to start us off. And then just ride around. So, visor's shut now. Voice check, still speaking at the same normal tone, so all good. See what it sounds like in the edit. It is misting a little bit as I speak, but it soon goes away, and I've got the vent shut on the helmet. Open the vent up on the helmet, and that might help to stop it. I'm going down the garage now. Get fuel, meet Robin down there. No ladies today. Just the boys out playing on their bikes. relocated the top box. It's first time in my new jacket.